Testimonial MyBot is a new robotics platform specifically for K-12 education. It introduces a whole new ecosystem for STEM education, giving us a consistent platform for robotics. One of the interesting features of Testimonial MyBot is the fact that it's all a Wi-Fi based system, which means that you don't have to install any software on a student device to use it. You just connect via Wi-Fi and then load a web browser, and you can connect directly to the MyBot and start coding. No setup, no wires, nothing to install. Testimonial MyBot presents a consistent coding platform for students from K through 12 to start with a simple pictorial tile-based coding environment, and then move on to a block-based system, and then move on to the Python programming environment and be able to create very advanced programs taking full advantage of all of the features of the MyBot system.